Hi guys, we're here at Market Day, and here is Analea. She's gonna start doing a demo.
And I'll take some of the pink out. Just because we're girls, we can do the pink also. But it's super cute.
Let me show you around.
So these are little transfers. And what these are, they're like a silk transfer. And you peel it off like this. And as you can see right there, it's got like a little mesh in there. Yeah. And so it's a silk transfer.
Let me
And
show
what
you
I
the
like
booth. Oh, Analea does her video there. Sorry, it's backwards.
So I put
This is everything we brought. Let me see if I can fix this.
Oh, so it's reusable up to 20. Oh, that's fine. As long as it's
There we go. This is our setup. All the Couture products. Transfers, squeegees, paste, ink.
and I cut them up because they're
It's nice, you guys. So much fun.
so I like to cut
We
them
just started. We just finished setting up a little while ago, so people are starting to arrive.
paste. Do we have something to stir?
Yes. Let me look for it.
And so I want y'all to